Hi everyone, my name is G.V. Rao, Assistant Professor of Mathematics working in Nalana Reddy Engineering College. Today I am explaining about partial differentiation and its applications. First, what is partial differentiation and what is the difference between differentiation and partial differentiation, and how to get the partial derivative formulas. What is Euler theorem? In this, in partial differentiation and its applications, first what is Euler's theorem, what is homogeneous function, and what are the partial derivatives, what are the partial differential coefficients, and what are the applications of the partial differentiation. But in this class, I have to explain about only the partial differentiation and what is the difference between partial differentiation and differentiation, and next small problems in this class. First, what is the differentiation? Let we know that let y is equal to f of x be a function. Let y is equal to f of x be a function of how many variables here? Only two variables, that is one dependent variable and one independent variable. Here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. What is the differentiation and why we are using the differentiation? The derivative of the dependent variable with respect to one independent variable is called the differentiation, that is dy by dx. It is denoted by dy by dx. The differential coefficients are involved in the equation, that is called the differential equation. But here in this class we have to know about what is the differentiation and what is partial differentiation. In differentiation, the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. The derivative of the dependent variable y with respect to the independent variable x, it is denoted by dy by dx. This is the differentiation. This is differentiation. Next, what is the partial differentiation? In this, let z is equal to f of x comma y be a function of two variables x and y. Let z is equal to f of x comma y be a function of two variables x and y. Limit delta x is tending to 0. Delta x is tending to 0. F of x plus delta x comma y minus f of x comma y by delta x if exists is called partial differential coefficient of z. Partial differential coefficient of z with respect to x. This is the partial derivative. It is denoted by dou z by dou x or dou f by dou x. This is the partial differential coefficient. Dou z by dou x or it is also denoted by dou f by dou x. Next, and limit delta y tends to 0. F of x comma y plus delta y minus f of x comma y by delta y if exists is called the partial differential coefficient of z. Partial differential coefficient of z with respect to y. It is denoted by dou z by dou y or dou f by dou y. These are the partial differential coefficients, dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. In the partial differentiation, it has one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to two or more independent variables. That is called the partial derivatives. These are denoted by dou z by the partial differential coefficient of z with respect to x is denoted by dou z by dou x, and the partial differential coefficient of z with respect to y is denoted by dou z by dou y. These are called the partial differential coefficients. Okay, here in the partial differentiation, it has one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to two or more independent variables. In differentiation, the difference between the differentiation and partial differentiation is it has only one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to one independent variable. The partial differential coefficient is denoted by dy by dx. The differential coefficient is denoted by dy by dx. That is, in notation it can be written as limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the differential coefficient. Differential coefficient, it is denoted by dy by dx or f dash of x. F dash of x. Any function is given, we get the derivative formulas. By using this formula only. For suppose we want to find the derivative of x, derivative of d by dx of x is equal to 1. D by dx of x is equal to 1. How will you get this? By using this basic formula, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h by f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Here this is f of x, you take f of x is equal to, we take x, limit h tends to 0, apply that, in place of x, f of x plus h, you write x plus h minus f of x value is x by h. Here x get cancelled, limit h tends to 0, h by h, that is equal to 1. Therefore, the differentiation d by dx of x is equal to 1. How will you get? By using this formula, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. We derived all the formulas. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. All the differentiation derivative formulas we get from this formula. This is the general notation of the differentiability of f of x, that is denoted by f dash of x, or it is simply called dy by dx, because here y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. We can write simply it as dy by dx. This is about differentiation. Next, in partial differentiation, we apply the same formula. Limit delta x is tending to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x plus delta x comma y minus f of x comma y by delta x if exists. It is called the partial differential coefficient of z with respect to x. Similarly, limit delta y tends to 0, f of x comma y plus delta y minus f of x comma y by delta y if exists is called the partial differential coefficient of z with respect to y. It is denoted by dou z by dou y. These are partial differential coefficients in the general notation formulas. Now, higher order partial derivatives. Higher order partial derivatives. Higher order partial derivatives. The higher order partial derivatives are here dou z by dou x, comma dou z by dou y. These are first order partial derivatives. These are first order partial derivatives. Next, dou by dou x of dou z by dou x is equal to dou square z by dou x square. Dou by dou y of dou z by dou y is equal to dou square z by dou y square. Dou by dou x of dou z by dou y is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y. Dou by dou y of dou z by dou x is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x. These are second order partial derivatives. These are second order partial derivatives. The first order partial derivatives are dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. The second order partial derivatives are dou square z by dou x square, dou square z by dou y square, dou square z by dou x dou y, dou square z by dou y dou x. What about the third order partial derivatives? Similarly, we can write as dou by dou x of dou square z by dou x square. It can be dou square z by dou x square. That is dou cube z by dou x cube. Dou by dou y of dou square z by dou y square is equal to dou cube z by dou y cube. These are the third order partial derivatives. These are the third order partial derivatives. What is the first order partial derivatives, second order partial derivatives, and the third order partial derivatives? Now we solve some basic problems related to the partial derivatives. I'll explain one example. Find the partial derivative of, or find if w is equal to z minus x minus y to y minus z, then find dou w by dou x comma dou w by dou y comma dou w by dou z. If w is equal to z minus x minus y into y minus z, then find dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. Here given solution is given w is equal to z minus x minus y minus z. Differentiate equation 1. This is we take as equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Dou w by dou x. When we are doing partially with respect to x, keep z comma y terms are constant. Here in this function no x terms, we keep as constant y minus z into, this is u into v differentiation, z minus x into x derivative partially with respect to x derivative is 1, y is constant 0, and x minus y into z derivative is constant 0, x derivative is 1. That is y minus z into z minus x, here minus x is, that is minus 2x plus y. This is dou w by dou xy. Next, find dou w by dou y. Here, when we are differentiating partially with respect to y, keep x comma z terms are constant. Here in this, x comma z terms are there. Here y term is not there. We keep it as constant, z minus x into, this is uv differentiation, x minus y into, with respect to y derivative 1, z is constant 0. Next, y minus z into, with respect to x is, with respect to y is, x is constant 0, y is 1. That is equal to z minus x into x minus y minus 2y minus of minus plus z. This is dou w by dou y. Next, find dou w by dou z. Differentiate w equation 1 partially with respect to z. When we are differentiating partially with respect to z, keep x comma y terms are constant. Here x comma y, this is x comma y, in this no z terms are there, we keep it as constant, x minus y into, remaining this one uv differentiation, z minus x into, with respect to z is, y is constant 0, z is minus 1, plus y minus z into, with respect to z is 1, x is constant, 0. That is equal to dou w by dou z is equal to x minus y into here minus z, here also minus z, that is minus of minus plus x, minus of into minus plus x minus 2z plus y. These are the partial differential coefficients, dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. This is the value of, and also sometimes add these three values. If you add these three values, dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z, we have to add these three values. This is a small problem on the partial derivatives. How to find the partial derivative? Here in the partial derivatives, differentiate partial with respect to x, keep y comma z terms are constant. Differentiate partial with respect to y, keep x comma z terms are constant. Differentiate partial with respect to z, keep x comma y terms are constant. This is the one problem. Next, one more problem. Find the second problem. Find first and second order and first and second order partial derivatives of x cube plus y cube minus 3axy and verify dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. Find first and second order partial derivatives of x cube plus y cube minus 3axy and verify dou square f by dou x dou y equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. Solution: let f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. This is we take as equation 1. Find the first order partial derivatives. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. When we are differentiating partially with respect to x, keep y terms are constant. Here x cube derivative is 3x square, y cube is constant 0, minus 3ay is constant. With respect to x, its derivative is 1. That is equal to 3x square minus 3ay. Next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Here, when we are differentiating partially with respect to y, keep x terms are constant. This term is 0, y cube is 3y square minus 3ax is constant. With respect to y is 1. That is equal to 3y square minus 3ax. These are the first order partial derivatives. Next, and also find the second order partial derivatives. Verify that condition. The second order partial derivatives dou by dou x of dou f by dou y is equal to dou by dou x of, what is dou f by dou y value? 3y square minus 3ax. With respect to x, here this is constant 0 minus 3a into x, that is 3a, that is equal to minus 3. Next, dou by dou y of dou by dou y of dou f by dou x, that is equal to dou by dou y of, what is dou f by dou x value? 3x square minus 3ay. Differentiate partially with respect to y. These are the x terms constant 0 minus 3a, that is equal to minus 3. Both the values are equal, therefore dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. Good. These are these two problems. By using these two problems, we can understand how to find the first and second order partial derivatives. In this, here 4 variables are there. It is 3 are independent variables, 1 is a dependent variable, x comma y comma z. In the partial derivatives, it has the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to two or more independent variables. That is called the partial differential partial derivatives. The partial derivatives, it has minimum two independent variables. Here in this problem, three independent variables are there. What are that? X, y, z, and w is the dependent variable. The partial differential coefficients are differentiate partial with respect to x, y, z. We get dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. These three are first order partial derivatives. Next, in this problem, find the first and second order partial derivatives and also verify this condition. Dou square f by dou x dou y equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. Find the first order partial derivatives and the second order partial derivatives. If both are equal, you can write that verification is over. Otherwise, they are not equal. Dou square f by dou x dou y is not equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. This is the partial differentiation introduction. And what is the partial differential coefficients? How will you get the partial differential coefficients? So dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. What is the dependent variable and what is independent variable? And we completed two problems related to the first order and second order partial derivatives. Thank you.